Hello to all of you. In this video, we're gonna see how to install Python. Okay, so first of all, please, you can Google Python or just simply you see Python in Google, and you'll see that it will directly direct you to this page, python.org, in which you have a bunch of information, official information about Python, which is a quite hot programming language. Okay, as you know, this year we are moving from AMPL, which you can still use if you want, to Python, which is a more general purpose software being used across different industries, and with very important features that we will see in class, including the fact that it's open source, quite versatile, and many other features. You have here, as in any other web, a bunch of things about the Python applications and some definitions, brochure, etc. The downloads, we're gonna go into this in a second. Some documentation, right, including talks, videos, some beginner's guide, developer guides, books. I mean, you will find a bunch of different things. It's difficult to choose, and in the end you will learn by doing. Okay, so that's my recommendation. We will be teaching some stuff in an introductory lecture, and the idea of this video is that you come to the class with this downloaded, because otherwise, you know, it takes a few minutes to download, a few minutes to install. If you encounter any issue, you can knock our door beforehand, so that we fully use the lecture to work on the exercises we have prepared. There's a community, including mailing lists, forums. This is kind of people is contributing with the Wikipedia, developing libraries. So that's one of the good things of Python, which is it is distributed. It's not like MATLAB. There is a community in MATLAB, but in the end it's managed by a company. Here many people is contributing, and that has good things because the capabilities of the software are growing exponentially. But also you will see that this comes at the cost of having some instabilities, dealing with different versions of different packages, incompatibilities that we will learn how to deal with them. Okay, some stories about how this has been used in different environments, right? Education, engineering, for businesses, news, events, some piece of code. Well, here you have kind of how to use Python for web development, user interface development, for science and numeric stuff. These are different packages that we have to install, right, together with Python to being able to use their functionalities. We will see some of these packages, and you will be learning as you get using this in the future. Okay, so when it comes to downloading, of course, this is detecting automatically that I have a Macintosh, and is offering me this latest stable version, Python 3.11.5, which I could simply download. If you are using Windows or Unix, you just simply need to choose your operational system. If we click at all releases, here you see Linux, Macintosh, Windows, you'll see that we have different kind of versions. The 3.12 is not stable, it's not even released, so if you are not an expert, do not try this one. If you are an expert, you should not be watching this video, I guess. And you see that the stability of different versions, and here you have kind of the release 3.11.5, 3.10, 13. I mean, you have many different versions. Which one to choose? Well, I would just go for the latest. It doesn't matter. You can have many different versions installed in Python and still it works. We will see how. So, because it might be that you want to use a code that was prepared for Python 3.6 or even a version 2.8. And you want to have that version installed and run that particular code with that specific version, and we will see how to do that. But by now, you click here, it takes like nothing to download, and then the only thing you need to do, I don't know if you are seeing this or not, if you go to applications, Python, this is the one that I have just installed. Okay, and it comes with some README and basic interface that you could use to run any program, the license, etc. Now keep it as it is. In the next video, we will see how to download a user interface and how to start using Python. Thank you very much.